In this video, we'll graph the linear equation y equals 6x plus 2. And we'll do it two ways. We'll put values in for x here and then get the corresponding value for y. And then we can get a point which we can graph on our graph paper here. We'll also look at the slope-intercept formula and use that as a way to check our work. So let's start out with x. Let's put 0. That's a good place to start usually. 6 times 0, 0, plus 2, that gives us 2. Let's put 1 in for x. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2, that gives us 8. And how about negative 1? 6 times negative 1, that's negative 6. Negative 6 plus 2, that gives us negative 4. So these are the points we'll graph for the equation y equals 6x plus 2. Let's start off with x is 0 and y is 2. So we find x is 0 right here, and then y, we go up to y is 2. So that's our first point. We have x is 1, y is 8. So x is 1, and then y is 8. Then we've got x is negative 1, and y is negative 4. So we go x is negative 1 down to negative 4 for y. And you can see we have this line here. Let's put a line over this. Then we can put arrows on the end to show it goes into infinity. And this is the graph for y equals 6x plus 2. We could have only used 2 points, but I like having that third point there to check my work. Now we can use slope-intercept formula to make sure we're correct. So we have y equals mx plus b. 6, that's our slope, m, and then 2, that's the y-intercept. So b, that's 2, so on the y-axis we find 2, that should be where our line crosses, right there. So we have 6 for the slope, but it's helpful to think of this as 6 over 1, because then we can say rise over run. So we'll go up 6 and over 1, rise over run. Go to the y-intercept, up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, over 1. We could also go up 6 here and over 1, but we're off our graph paper. So let's go in the opposite direction. Go down 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then over 1 to the left, the opposite direction. And that's our third point. Again, we could keep going down 6 and over 1, but we're out of graph paper. So this is the graph for y equals 6x plus 2, and this is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.